All right, in this video, I'm going to show you an example of how to solve questions like are on the GoFormative today. So you might get an inequality. For example, negative 2x plus 5 is greater than 11. When you're solving it, you're going to first solve the related equation. So you can change the inequality symbol to an equals sign and write as negative 2x plus 5 equals 11. Then we're going to solve like we've done before by doing the same thing to both sides. So remember to go backwards in order of operations. So first we're going to get rid of this plus 5. We'll use the inverse of addition, which is subtraction, and subtract 5 from both sides. On the left side, we're left with only a negative 2x. On the right side, we have 11 minus 5, so we have 6. So now we have negative 2x equals 6. And to undo multiplying by negative 2, we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. When we do that, we have x equals negative 3. Once you have that boundary point, we're going to plot that boundary point on the number line. So I'm going to call this 0, and then I'm going to go over here to negative 3. Now notice in my original symbol, I have a greater than. I don't have an or equal to, so I don't want that boundary to be filled in because it's not a solution to this inequality. So I'm going to leave that open. Then what I'm going to do is test a number on the left or the right of a boundary point. So like right over here, I might have negative 5 would be on the left, on the right 0. I'm going to try to see what works. So I might try negative 2. Instead of x, I'm going to try that negative 5 over there on the left. Negative 2 times negative 5 plus 5. I want to see if that's greater than 11 because my original inequality was negative 2x plus 5 is greater than 11. When I do that, I have negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 is greater than 11. So it seems like negative 5 is a number that works. If I happen to try another number, like to the right, we'll try 0. Negative 2 times 0 plus 5 and check if that's greater than 11. I would have 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 is not greater than 11. That's a false statement. So it seems like this number over here doesn't work. So then next I'm going to draw an arrow in the direction of the number that works. So it looks like over here negative 5 worked but 0 didn't. So it looks like these numbers that are less than negative 3, all the numbers to the left of 3. So I write that on my number line, and then my final step is to write the inequality that represents this number line. So it looks like I have x is less than negative 3. That's all the numbers that work in this situation. So x is less than negative 3 will be my final answer, and I'll write that in the next box in GoFormative.